Have you ever wondered why some people achieve incredible success while others, with similar skills, struggle to make progress? The answer isn't just hard work, it's the mindset behind it. Studies have shown that success is not just about talent or skills but about how you think, perceive challenges, and take action. Many believe that success is all about intelligence, experience, or luck. But in reality, 80% of success comes from having the right mindset, and only 20% depends on your skills. Think about it. Two people with the same ability can have vastly different outcomes. One grows, adapts, and succeeds, while the other remains stuck. What makes the difference? The beliefs they hold, the habits they cultivate, and the way they handle failure. 10 powerful mindset shifts for success. Growth mindset versus fixed mindset, the power of belief. People with a fixed mindset believe that intelligence, talent, and abilities are set in stone. They think, I'm either good at this or I'm not. But those with a growth mindset believe that skills can be developed with effort, learning, and persistence. This single shift can transform your entire life. The power of self-discipline. Success is a habit. Talent can take you only so far, but self-discipline determines how far you go. Those who succeed don't rely on motivation, they rely on habits. Every successful person, from athletes to entrepreneurs, follows strict routines that push them forward. Reframing failure, the key to unstoppable success. Most people fear failure, but the ultra-successful embrace it. They see failure as a lesson, not a loss. Every failure teaches you something valuable, what works, what doesn't, and how to improve. The law of action, thinking versus doing. Many people spend years planning, researching, and waiting for the right time, but they never take action. Successful people understand that execution is everything. They start before they feel ready and adjust along the way. Resilience, the ability to keep going no matter what. Success isn't about never falling, it's about how fast you get back up. Resilient people don't let setbacks define them. They develop mental toughness by facing adversity head-on and pushing through. The psychology of confidence, believe before you achieve. Confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build. People who succeed believe they can achieve their goals long before they do. They visualize their success, act as if they've already won, and eliminate self-doubt. Surrounding yourself with the right people. Your mindset is shaped by the people you spend the most time with. If you're surrounded by negative, unmotivated individuals, their energy will pull you down. But if you surround yourself with ambitious, growth-focused people, their mindset will lift you up. The power of focus, eliminating distractions. Most people want success, but they get distracted by social media, Netflix, or unnecessary drama. Highly successful people protect their focus like a treasure. They cut out distractions and stay committed to their vision. Gratitude and abundance mindset. People with a scarcity mindset believe success is limited. They think, if someone else wins, I lose. But people with an abundance mindset believe there's enough success for everyone. They celebrate others' victories, which attracts more success into their own lives. Taking responsibility, no more excuses. The final and most powerful mindset shift is taking full responsibility for your life. Successful people never blame their circumstances, upbringing, or luck. They understand that they own their results.